Hello my people, how na dey? I greet the house o. Also na dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una, God go bless una. Una no forget o, una still dey follow me. Na me still be untouchable mama, na me still get this talk your problem, advise me, advise you, na me still get am. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well well. My people, this video I just see this. Una know say social media na market street now. As I see this video, this woman she dey cry, dey talk say wetin her husband do am for many years wey dem take marry. The husband he shoot am for leg. Now wow, but me I no know, because no be say she talk wetin happen. She not talk am say see wetin happen when my husband do me like this. So she not talk am, but she just cry come out say her husband shoot am for leg. If e be say maybe see am with another man, or this one na my own opinion, if e be say the woman see the man with another woman come dey follow, you know, but e never reach the one wey man go just carry this thing come out shoot woman for leg. Woman wey you with am stay for many years, no be say na 20 days, 20 years for marriage. Maybe na wetin, maybe something happen, but anyway nothing wey go happen wey you go just make you carry gun say you shoot person for leg. If husband and wife say maybe dem get problem, say the marriage no come dey good again, make dem do their own, the best thing. Why you go dey complicate everything, put yourself for problem? Na so e still be for woman also. If you see say your marriage no dey go again, instead of you, some of una know say some women now dem na so dey pour hot water for fire, pour for the man body, put wetin call am, groundnut oil. If you just see say the man just dey sleep, you go pour am. E still dey happen, but na something wey dey bad. I know say dey pain, but as for you, wey you know say you no fit create human being, why you wan damage that human being? Because sometimes this marriage no be do or die. If you see say you try your best, say the marriage no gree go, no gree, na where e dey still dey, or na the man no want again, no just force am. This life too short o. Enjoy yourself, comot yourself for there. Na so me I dey talk am. Like this one now wey shoot im wife for 2 leg now, maybe na another place na e go shoot am. Another thing we for dey talk about. Na another thing person for dey think about, say this woman e don bear RIP because of say no wan comot for the husband house, because of say no, if something no good again, nothing wey you fit do to repair am. Na so me this one na my opinion. If you know say your home no good again, e no good, you try. Even though say you dey think say people go laugh you, my sister or my brother, you don try. You no fit go kill yourself because of say the something don good, people go laugh you. No, this life is too short, and na so e take sweet. As e take short, na so e take sweet. No go put your life for another person hand wey tell you say he no need you again because of say no, I no want make people laugh me. You go still dey shook your head for them, you go still dey stay there. No, everything go better. Something wey don spoil. If you see say you don try, e no good, abeg, before you go bear RIP, carry your bagali, carry your something, say bye bye. No be you start am, no be you go still end am. Person you just carry, you just open your eye. Woman wey you with am stay for many years, just carry this thing here, and e no even do you for body. I put the video, Mona here, she dey cry for help. She wants help for people.
My fellow Nigerians, good morning. This is Adebukola Adebayo. I can't call myself Akudu again, like because I can never be Akudu again. Please help me share this thing. My husband that I have been living with for the past 20 years carried gun on me yesterday and shot my leg. Now I don't know what the condition of the leg will be. He carried gun and he shot my 2 legs. Please, everybody in this world should come out to my aid and help me. I am an orphan. I don't have anybody to cry to but God and the society. Please Please help me and come to my head. Thank you very much, everybody. I'm going for the X-ray this morning to check where all the bullets have been spread into, so that they will know the particular place to cut and remove the bullets. I'm so traumatized at the moment. Please come to my head, my fellow Nigerians. Please help me share this. I'm a popular girl. Adebukola Iskafia Chikiade is my name on my Facebook handle. Please help me.
Hello my people, I don't come back again. Hey, wahala be like okumba o, wahala be like okumba. Some of una don see this video. As I see the video, my people, I just bring am just to, because me I dey believe say maybe na comedy dem dey do, more na novel, so e be like say something like film. I no know, but as I see am, I don't want me I bring am come out. Whether this thing dey really dey happen. Boyfriend come see cucumber for inside cupboard, no be say even see am, no be the problem. They even put record, no na record wey they put for men something. They even put am, who do am na im girlfriend. So the man come dey vex say, no be the first time wey they see you. Last time you see rubber something, you say no be your own, na so this one, na so that one, you dey use am take dey massage your body. My people, I don't know whether it really dey exist, so some women like this, whether they really dey exist. So hey, no, the thing they get as they do me for brain. How you get boyfriend, you go dey use rubber something, or you go dey use cucumber. Hey, nothing wey person no go see. Maybe na wetin dem dey tell them for social media. Now so me I go talk my own. You gonna know say some people they mumu their mumu e no get second chance. Their mumu e no get grade. And they'll say, okay, may you do one like this. You when you get your boyfriend, that one are nonsense. I dey talk all the time. Say, if you know, say your boyfriend or your husband, no, they give you well. Talk to am. Now your man, no get shame. Wetin be cucumber? Cucumber na wetin person they eat. They don't use am talk to another something where you come they put for your bekus. Or go the buy rubber. Wetin rubber wan give you? Rubber go touch your body. E go make, I don't know, maybe some people that they enjoy am, and no vessel. This one na my own. Whether then they enjoy am, me I don't know. But if you know, say you they enjoy rubber something, why you not tell your man, say this thing you just they do am, I know they enjoy am, they do am this way. So the one way come make me see the thing say whether then they do drama or something like that, where the landlady come enter inside the house with camera. Just dey film them, and they not even tell am say I no film am or not put am for video, and not put am for Facebook. Or the woman even talk and say she go put am for video, so now stream herself for social media. But me I believe say na film. I know my people, I don't know. But if really say they happen, say some girls they really they use cucumber, then they go they buy rubber. When you get your boyfriend, what you call they use your boyfriend till they do? If you get boyfriend, you go buy cucumber, you could use am, meaning there is something wrong. Or you get husband or you get boyfriend, you go they use a rubber with cucumber, there is something wrong. I feel understand say okay, person wey not get boyfriend, he not get husband, if you say may you go buy rubber, I will say okay, I feel understand. The no one make they run go they find person wey go help us the distraction. But not the person wey get boyfriend or get husband though. Hey, now what for wire road or wetin person no go hear for social media. My people, I not all say it really happen, but as for me, as I tell them, look, it be like something of a program. You understand? It's like, you know, so many people then see they do all this comedy, they'll just put and they'll later they'll come to say now comedy with they do. But I believe say some women, some girls really they do this kind of thing. They really they do one. This one I can't catch them. Wahala for cucumber. Hey, where the man get the cucumber, e no reach you. Why you not tell am say this your cucumber? You know they do well. They do am well. Show am, tell am where you forget the feeling. The man go understand. I know say some men they don't they understand. No say they talk all the time. Say some men they don't they understand. Why some they understand? Now why my people? I'll put the video. Mona watch am. God go bless una. Now do what so now tell they help me tell they share, comment, like, one love. Now bye bye.